we want to replace this vent. This is a 2007 Jeep Liberty Cherokee in Europe. Basically, you don't even need a screwdriver. You just need to apply some pressure on this side. Pops right off. So looking at it, how it goes. This is a replacement. Should be goes on this side. This on one side the vent looks like this, the other side looks like this. So we will put this one first and then we'll just push this one in. So putting in this there, boom, done. It's in. Now, once the vent is removed, the vent cover, there is one side that looks like this, like a little rocket, and there's another side, the other side looks plainly round. So the one that's round is where this portion gets in, and the other side is where it just gets pushed and snaps in. So in this one, this round area will go to just the round inside, the round hole there, and then the rest, bum, inside.